So in this video, I am going to show you how to use the wizard in Excel. So we're going to start out with this little display that I just made of home runs in 2019. Some data that I have come up with. So I am wanting to find the total of all of these home runs from May to September. So say I didn't know how to find the total for that, I am able to go up here to this little button right here, and it will pull up, excuse me, it will pull up this fancy little help guide. So it will give you some different ones that you can choose from. But say you didn't know what you're wanting to do, or what some of these meant, some of these abbreviations, you can actually go up to this area right here. And I'm just gonna say addition and click go. This might not be what I'm wanting, so I can go back. I'm just going to click out of it, go back into it. And I'm going to use the sum button, and it will help me choose which ones that I would like to use. So I am actually going to use the cells that were popping up right there. So it took from A5 all the way to E5, and it completely added all of those up. So if I want to see what the solution is to that, it will actually pop up right here, and it will be the sum of A5 to E5. So A5 all the way to E5, and it will show that. If I wanted to do the average, I'll just title above it, and I will click right here and do the same thing. And then I will go to where it says average right here. Some of the other things, you can use other different tools there. So it will then again show me what I want to do the average of. I'm going to move this out of the way. Again, it's going to be A5 to E5. So I'm actually going to change this to where it says E5. So I change that from E5 to, or from F5 to E5. That way it correctly gets the average, because you don't want your total added into your average. And so it'll be 16.4. However, you do not want to have, I'll just leave it that way actually. But that is a quick, short video of how to use the wizard in Excel.